Best way to earn by promoting Amazon affiliate links with Pinterest. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to earn by promoting Amazon affiliate links with Pinterest. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, in promoting Amazon products on Pinterest, the first thing that we need to do is to simply choose the kind of niche that we want to advertise or promote. And to do that, just open your browser and kindly go to pinterest.com. And just log in your Pinterest account, and from here, you will see on your homepage some of the niche or the ideas that people post on Pinterest. So for example, my niche or ideas is about promoting men's fashion or outfit. After choosing a niche, the next thing that we need to do is to simply set up our profile by clicking on it. And as you can see, I've now create or edit my profile to men's style. So all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information right here. And because I'm trying to promote a fashion outfit for men, let's try to search for those niche. To do that, just go to your search bar and kindly enter the niche ideas that you want to advertise. So I'm entering here men's outfit inspiration. Upon clicking enter, you will see here below some of the outfit and ideas in these pins that is created by other users. And as you can see, most of them are just minimalist design. And when you click some of those pins, they include a link of the website in which they can find the outfit in this picture. So when a viewers or audience try to click this link, they will be directed on this page. And from here, they will see the broad ideas of article about the pins. And that's exactly what we're going to do. And to start creating a pin, just click the create button on the top left corner. Then you will be directed in here. And from here, it says here that you need to choose a file or drag and drop it here. So basically, in choosing a file, we need to look for a media that can highlight or stands out our design or pin among the other. But before that, let's go to Amazon.com to look for our products that we want to advertise. And let's say we want to advertise a baggy pants for men. Since our niche is men's outfit inspiration, below here it will show us a variety of products that we can choose. And from here, all you need to do is to simply select a product that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, Union Bay Men's Survivor LV. As you can see, it also has a decent price range. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to simply get the link by clicking the text under this get link, in which by clicking on it, it will show us the affiliate link for this product. And some people also paste those links directly to their Pinterest or to their pin, but that is risky and that could also result for your pin to get banned. So we're not going to do that, but rather we're going to create our own sites. But before that, let's try to create or choose a file that we want to upload as our pin. And for that, we're going to use this platform called unsplash.com, in which this platform offers a variety of images that you can download for free. So in the search bar, I'm going to enter here men's fashion. And below, it will show you a variety of results of men's fashion. So all you need to do is to simply choose and download the images that you prefer. And in choosing a photo, make sure that you also stands out among the other pins in Pinterest. And as you can see, most of them has just a single photo. And in that case, we're not going to upload that kind of photo. Now to proceed, just go to your canva.com to start designing your pins. And on the search bar, kindly enter Pinterest, in which it will show you a variety of templates below here. So from here, basically all you need to do is to simply choose the templates that you prefer. And after choosing a template, all you need to do is to simply click on it, customize this template. Then you will be directed on this page right here. And from here, we can start customizing this template starting to its text, background image, and also its images. And for the images, we're going to replace by the picture that we just download on this platform. So after downloading the images that you want to replace, just click the uploads on the left side panel and proceed by clicking upload files. And just choose the files that you want to replace. And after that, below here, as you can see, it is now uploaded. So all we need to do is to simply drag this picture to our template to replace the images in the template in here. And after that, we could also use other editing tools that we can find on this left side panel. Now let's proceed by editing the text contained on this template. And as you can see, I'm now editing all of this text. And we could also customize the color of it, the size of it, and even the font of the text in this picture. And now, after completely editing the files that we want to upload to our pins, the next thing that we need to do is simply download this design. And to do that, just click the share button on the top right corner. And below here, just click download and make sure to download this file as PNG or JPEG. And after downloading the files that we just edit, just go to the Pinterest and just click the create button. Then just click this choose a file or drag and drop it here. Then just upload the file that we just download from Canva. After that, just proceed by filling out all of the required information on the right side panel. We have here the title, the description, the link, and any other info. For the title, I'm going to enter here men's fit that you should have. And below, you could also add a description that you prefer. And under this link, all you need to do is to simply paste the link from our website. Since if you directly paste the link from Amazon, there's a high chance that your pin will be banned because of these affiliate links. And as you can see, some of the pins like this and these pins contain the website but not the affiliate links, since it is risky to enter or link the affiliate links on this pin. And to avoid being banned by simply pasting the affiliate links in here, what we need to do is to simply create our own website using Google Sites. And from here, just click this blank site. And from here, all we need to do is to simply enter our page or page title, in which from here you could also customize the context, the size of it, the font, and even the color of it to make it bold, italic, and even underlined. So after customizing the page title, you could also add or change the background color or image of this website. And on the top right corner, you could also enter the site name. So for instance, I'm going to enter here men's fashion. And for the content of this website, you could also see under the content blocks on the right side panel or some of the layouts that you can choose. But to make it simple, or just for example, I'm going to choose this text box. But you could also choose some of these content blocks if you prefer. Now under this text box, from here you could also add or enter the articles about some of the pants that men should wear. You could also use ChatGPT to create or write an article for you. But at this point, to make it simple, I'm just going to enter here pants link here, in which we're going to use this text in order to link the affiliate products in our Amazon. In which from here, just copy this link or affiliate links, then go back to your Google site. And as you can see, I just changed the text into best pants. And to make it bold, I'm just also going to change the font of it. And to make this context as hyperlink text, just click this link option or link icon right here. Then proceed by pasting the link that we just copied. And after that, just click the apply button. Then you will now see that the text is now hyperlink. So when the audience try to click this link, they will be directed in the Amazon. And from there, they can start purchasing the product that we just advertise or promote. And now to publish this simple website that we just created, just click the publish button on the top right corner. And from here, you could also customize your own website address. Then proceed by clicking the publish button below to proceed. And after successfully creating a website on Google site, the next thing that we need to do is to simply copy this website or the web address of it. Then proceed by going to Pinterest and just paste under this link the Google site web address that we just create. And below, just fill out all of the required information such as the board and also some of the tags. Then proceed by clicking the publish button on the top right corner. And after successfully publishing the pin, this is basically what it looks like. And this is also what the audience will see, in which when they try to click this website, sites.google.com, they will be directed on this page. And when they see or click this best pants hyperlink text, they will automatically be directed into our Amazon affiliate links. From here, when they purchase these pants or baggy pants, you will be able to earn commission from it. So that is just basically the best way to earn by promoting Amazon affiliate links with Pinterest. Thank you.